May we have the national anthem, please?
Chancellor, I declare the convocation open.
Thank you. Please be seated. We now call upon Professor A.K. Agarwal, the Senior Most Professor of Mizoram University, to deliver the welcome address.
Very good morning to everybody. Professor Harsh K. Gupta, Honorable Member of the National Disaster Management Authority, Government of India, and the Chief Guest for the 8th convocation of the Mizoram University today, Professor Lalthan Tulanga, our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mizoram University, and also Professor Amarnath Rai, Honorable Vice Chancellor of NEHU and former Vice Chancellor of this Mizoram University. Professor Thangchung Lunga, I used to call him Pupar, the star of the Mizoram University. Professor R.L. Thanmoya, who is the controller for exam. The members of the court, the Executive Council, Academic Council of the Mizoram University, as well as the guests and invitees. First Lady of the Mizoram University, Mrs. Tulanga, dear students, their parents, the persons from the media, and my worthy colleagues, faculty members, and the non-teaching staff of the Mizoram University, ladies and gentlemen, I, on behalf of Mizoram University, welcome you all. So basically, it is an honor for me as an individual to deliver a welcome address on an important occasion of the 8th convocation of the Mizoram University. So first of all, I would like to extend warmest and heartiest welcome on behalf of Mizoram University fraternity, teaching and non-teaching, to Professor Harsh K. Gupta, who is the Honorable Member of the National Disaster Management Authority, Government of India, and also the Chief Guest for today, who, in spite of his very busy schedule, he has kindly consented to be the Chief Guest on this very auspicious occasion, that is the 8th convocation of our university. Professor Gupta is a leading scientist and has led several successful scientific missions in the country. His scientific contributions have fetched him the Bhatnagar Award, that is very prestigious award in the scientific world. Fellows of all the academics, all the country, including Third World Academy of Science and Padma Shri. So we are fortunate to have you, sir, in our midst this morning to be the chief guest. I would also like to extend our warm welcome to Professor A.N. Rai, who is the Vice Chancellor presently of NEHU, and he was our former Vice Chancellor, under whose, he was the second Vice Chancellor, under whom guidance we have progressed. So we are delighted to meet you and see you again in our midst. We are also building up on the path which was shown, solid foundation which was shown by you, that was the physical infrastructure and the academic infrastructure under your leadership at that time, and we are continuing with that. We have not halted the progress and the path which you have shown to us. We are forwarding in the leadership of our present Vice Chancellor, Professor Lalsan Tulanga. I would like to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Lalsan Tulanga, who will be conferring degrees to the graduate students today. Our university is marching ahead in all areas of the university administration and the academics as well, under the dynamic leadership of you, sir. I welcome to the Registrar and COE, and also welcome to First Lady of the Mizoram University. I would like to extend my heartiest welcome to all students who would be receiving their degrees today in person and in absentia. And also welcome to all the members of the court, the Executive Council and the Academic Council of the Mizoram University, guests and invitees, persons from the media who have come here to cover this event, faculty members and non-teaching staff of the Mizoram University, students and the research scholars, ladies and gentlemen on this occasion. Let me give you a brief that how we have progressed and are progressing forward in our academic achievements. We have introduced the choice-based credit system under the leadership and the guidance of Professor Tulanga. In the PG program, we have already introduced the semester system in the undergraduate classes. So now we have started CBCS from the current academic session. Now for the two more programs we have launched this year, that is the BTech program in the electrical engineering and computer engineering. This we have started from the current academic session. So these two added feather in our cap by the introducing of the new courses. The university has set up the central instrumentation facility equipped with modern analytical facility. Recruitment of the additional teaching and the non-teaching staff was carried out during the whole period, and almost we are fortunate enough to fill up all the posts wherever possible, and maximum post we have occupied, sanctioned by the UGC, teaching and non-teaching both. The department under the School of Physical Science and the School of Engineering and Technology are now operating from their permanent building. The task which was incomplete are under construction during the tenure of Professor A.N. Rai that have been completed, and we are fortunate enough to shift these two departments, schools, in the permanent buildings. The buildings for the School of Economics Management and Information Science is nearing completion. In the Economics Department is already shifted there and has started operating from that permanent building. 2 boys hostels we have completed during this tenure of 100 capacity each, and they have occupied all these seats by the boys. Now in the energy sector, to get the self-sufficiency and not the and to reduce the dependence on the electricity supply, what we have done that the solar power which was installed of the 700 kWp project, it was sanctioned by the Ministry of Non-Renewable Energy Resources at 90% subsidy, has become fully operational. So in the case of the emergencies, and some lighting, street lighting system can be covered under that. So in that way we can reduce our expenditure also. Rainwater harvesting, that is the major project because we don't have any underground water supply, and so for that we have to cover, and we are not getting any water supply from the PHE. So rainwater harvesting structure is now under complete. This can meet our requirement to the most 4 to 5 months. So still we have to go way ahead under this program. This preparation of the self-study report, this is one major achievement, because we are preparing for the NAAC accreditation of this university. This is almost prepared and this is in full swing. Most probably in the early part of the next year, we will be inviting the NAAC team for our accreditation, university accreditation. Now you will be delighted to know that our university, while preparing the 12 plan, we have taken into account the long pending demand of the public, that is the setting up the campus in the Lungle, that we have included in our 12 plan proposal. And in this, and recently we have also accepted the introduction of the integrated program, 5-year integrated program for MBA and also the physical education. So these we have prepared in our proposal, but MBA is already in 2-year program, but that we will introduce as a 5-year integrated program. Let me tell you friends that after the receiving certain setbacks in the undergraduate exam results, we have learned a lesson from that, and now we have started the central evaluation system, reintroduced rather, and we hope that in future that such mistakes will not be occur again. We solicit your cooperation from all the sections of the society in fulfilling our vision for the Mizoram University and also in fulfilling our mission for providing quality education at the affordable cost. I again insist upon affordable cost to the use of the state and the country. I once again welcome you all to the 8th convocation of the Mizoram University. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Agarwal, sir. Now we shall have the conferment and presentation of degrees, prizes and gold medals. And for that we shall call upon our Vice Chancellor, Professor R. Lalthanpluanga.
Let the candidates be presented.
For the conferment of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, we shall call upon the Dean, School of Earth Sciences and Natural Resources Management, Professor Pirin Omar, who will present the candidates who shall stand in their seats for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidate from the School of Education and Humanities, School of Social Sciences, School of Arts Sciences and Natural Resource Management, School of Economics, Management and Information Sciences, School of Physical Sciences and School of Life Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation, you show yourselves worthy of the same.
Professor Pirin Omar will read out the names of the candidates who shall receive their degrees individually from the Vice Chancellor.
Linda Zoming Liane, Department of Education. Casey Lalkhamwani, Department of English. Silal Ompuya, Department of English. Ruazakumi Ralte, Department of English. Silarin Feli, Department of English. David Zotan Sanga, Department of Public Administration. Zoram Bangai Zuali Kiangte, Department of Psychology. C. Lom Zuala, Department of Library and Information Science. L. Garyendra Singh, Department of Commerce. Lal Singh Puye, Department of Environmental Science. Rebecca Lalmuan Puye, Department of Forestry. Lal Choi Moy Ingente, Department of Forestry. Nu Chung E Koltring, Department of Forestry. Sai Thang Puya, Department of Geography and Resource Management. Larin Moya, Department of Geography and Resource Management. Silal Dong Liana, Department of Chemistry. Lalmuan Puya Vansong, Department of Physics.
Now, for the conferment of the degree of Master of Philosophy, we shall call upon the Dean, School of Engineering and Technology, Professor R.P. Tiwari, to present the candidates who shall stand in their seats for the degree of Master of Philosophy for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates from the School of Economics, Management and Information Sciences, School of Social Sciences, and the School of Education and Humanities who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Philosophy, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit you to the degree of Master of Philosophy, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you saw yourselves worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir. For the conferment of the award of Master's degree, we shall call upon the Dean, School of Social Sciences, Professor J.V. J. Singh, who will present the candidates who shall stand in their seats for the Master's degree for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates from the various postgraduate disciplines of the Mizoram University who have been examined and found qualified for the master's degree, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit you to the master's degree in various postgraduate disciplines of the Mizoram University, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you saw yourselves worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir. Now for the conferment of the bachelor's degree, B.Ed and LLB, I call upon the principal of Mizoram Law College, Dr. Rual Khu Makolni, to present the candidates who shall stand in their seats for the bachelor's degree in education and law for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates from various undergraduate disciplines in education and law of the Mizoram University who have been examined and found qualified for the bachelor's degree, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit you to the bachelor's degree in various undergraduate disciplines in education and law of the Mizoram University, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you saw yourselves worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir. for the conferment of bachelor's degree, BSc, BSc Nursing, BSc MLT, BSc Home Science, BCA and BTech. We call upon the Dean, School of Life Sciences, Professor R.C. Laha, to present the candidates who shall stand in their seats for the bachelor's degree in sciences, including nursing, home science, MLT, computer applications and BTech for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor Sir, I present to you the candidates from various undergraduate disciplines in sciences of the Mizoram University who have been examined and found qualified for the bachelor's degree, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit you to the bachelor's degree in various undergraduate disciplines in sciences of the Mizoram University, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you show yourselves worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir. Now for the conferment of the bachelor's degree, BA and BCom, we shall now call upon the principal of Patunga University College, Dr. Ton Enga, to present the candidates who shall stand in their seats for the bachelor's degree in Arts and Commerce for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor Sir, I present to you the candidates from various undergraduate disciplines in Arts and Commerce of the Mizoram University who have been examined and found qualified for the bachelor's degree, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit you to the bachelor's degree in various undergraduate disciplines in Arts and Commerce of the Mizoram University, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you show yourselves worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir. For the conferment of degrees to the in absentia candidates, we shall call upon the Dean, School of Physical Sciences, Professor R.K. Thapa, who will request the Vice Chancellor to admit the candidates in absentia for the various degrees for the year 2012.
Vice Chancellor Sir, on behalf of all other candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, the degree of Master of Philosophy, the degree of Master of Science, the degree of Master of Arts, the degree of Master of Library and Information Science, the degree of Bachelor of Science, Nursing, the degree of Bachelor of Pharmacy, the degree of Bachelor of Education, the degree of Bachelor of Arts, and the degree of Bachelor of Commerce, who have been examined and found qualified for the aforesaid degrees and have been permitted to receive the degrees in absentia. I pray that they may now be admitted to their respective degrees.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Mizoram University, I admit these candidates to their respective degrees in absentia.
Thank you, sir. Now for the presentation of gold medals, we shall call upon the Director of IQAC, Professor Margaret Cho Zama, to present the candidates for the award of gold medal.
Vice Chancellor Sir, I present to you the candidates for various disciplines of the Mizoram University who have been examined